Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning, world. Good morning, Canada, US, England. Look at this squirrel this morning. It's a beauty. Seeing the animal running around. I don't know if you can see it. He's having fun. Trying to get a little sun before it's done. Because the dawn soon come. Don't run. Just have fun. Squirrel. Enjoy your world. Your name is not Merle or Pearl. So have fun before it's done, or the sun come and then set and gone and run and done. Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning, Africa. Good morning, Canada. Good morning, England. Good morning, America. Have fun. Squirrel in the sun before it done. Have some fun. Don't run.
What type of pizza is it?
Cause the sun
No, I mean like what?
is good.
What brand?
Have a beautiful day. God bless you. God keep you.
What brand
May
was
the
the
Lord
pizza
make his
from?
face shine upon you and be gracious unto you, and grant you all his peace, his love, and his joy. Give God the glory and give thanks. Live in love because God is love. God bless you all in Jesus' name.